One of the last things I want to show you in our series for now, until they add new stuff, is how to create your own movable manipulatives or teaching tools on this board. That could be something with math, it could be money, it could be that you're moving something over for graphing, anything that you want students to come drag multiples of to show a concept, okay? So I'm going to use math as my example here, and I'm going to come out to the board side over here, and you'll see that I pulled up, in case you don't know this website, it's called Polypad, which is itself a phenomenal website. It will also allow you to manipulate and move things, so you could just come here and do the same lesson, but you want to make your own. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to grab the screenshot tool, just like I did before. I'm going to grab the little snippet, and I want this little tens block right here. So I'm just going to take a picture of this little tens block, let go, and it's going to pull it right in here. So there's a tens block. Okay, so there's my 10 example. I'm going to put it right there. I need another one of the 1 and the hundreds. So I'm going to grab my little screenshot tool. I'm going to grab the hundreds, screenshot it right in there. I've got the hundreds. I'm going to go back out. I'm going to screenshot the little 1 tablet, if I can grab that as quick as a little 1 block right here. This one's a little harder to snip. Got the little 1 block right there. And you can see I've placed them all over here. So you can imagine this could be money, it could be pictures, it could be anything that you want to move around. So I've got them all right here. Each one, when it's selected, brings up that adorning menu we've talked about with all these different options. I'm not going to lock them this time. I'm going to come to the copy with multiple sign right here, and if I click that, it locks it with that symbol on it. What that symbol tells you is I can make unlimited copies of that object, and I'm going to do that for each one of the things on my board. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to come here and select the same thing. Now I might have numbers up here on the board, like 327 or 122 or whatever, and tell the kids they have to make that number. Okay, now, if I want to use this repeatedly, I can come to my page piece, look at this as the page I've got, and I want to duplicate it. So I've got 2 of them, I've got 3 of them, I've got 4 of them. So each page has the same manipulatives. I'm on page 1 right now, and I'm going to put 2 numbers, 212, 156, and then I'm going to go to page 2 and put some different numbers, so maybe 31 and 122, and I've got different numbers. Every page will have different numbers. I'm going to go back to page 1 real quick. Students called up, and I say, show me that number. All they have to do is come over here with the selector tool selected, drag that over. This is 200, and the 1 is a little trickier to grab. $212, and they just made that number. Then someone else can come up and show you 156. When you're done with that, you can move to the next page. This could be set up for a small group activity. It could be money. It could be any kind of concept that you need to drag stuff over and have that manipulative built in. Nice, easy way to create your own. And then I can actually save this before students work on it and have it year after year for students to come practice with a small group or in front of the whole class.